How to add admin on Facebook page in mobile in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and when you click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, you come to this page. And then what you have to do is you have to go to your page. Here you can see the four new pages. So what you have to do is you have to go to any of your pages, and then when you go to your pages, here you can see there is more option. You have to click on the more, and when you click on the more, here you have to go to the uh, page controls and the settings. You have to scroll bit down, and you can see the page. In the page controls tab, you can see the settings. You have to click on the settings, and here you can see the settings, and then you have to click on the page roles. You have to click on the page roles, and when you click on the page roles, you have to you can see the add person to page. You have to click on the add person to page. When you click on the add person to page, you have to enter your password. So firstly you have to enter your password. After typing your password, you have to click on the next, and after that you can see the type the name of a Facebook user, and then you can type the name of a Facebook user, like I type this one, and here you can see that you can add any of the friends, and here you can see I add this friend, let's see. Then here you can see then you can choose the admin option. In the page roles option, you can see the choose the admin option, and after that you can click on the add. And when you click on the add, here you can see the this people added Amit Yadav as an admin. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.